Today I am going to explain how to create table in design view. For that you have to go to OpenOffice base. OpenOffice base is present in OpenOffice application. It is in the desktop. Double click OpenOffice software. Inside the OpenOffice application you have database. You have to click database. Then you have to click next button. In this dialog box you have to click next button, then you have to give finish. Okay, it will ask the database name. Defaultly new database appeared, you change it to whatever name you want and then save the file. It will open the new database. Okay, this is the database file. Okay, you are going to create a table in design view. Select that option and it will give you two columns. Using this you can create the table structure. One is field name, another one is field type. Under field name you have to type column heading, under field type you have to type the data type. Okay, I am going to create with three columns. First column heading is roll number, second column name, third column age. Okay, roll number and age you have to declare it as integer, name you have to declare it as text data type. After typing that you have to save. It will ask table name, you have to give table name and then it will ask whether we have to set a primary key. In that dialog box you have to select yes. Okay, then the primary key automatically inserted. Okay, defaultly ID is the primary key here. Then you have to type the datas. Now the table structure is ready. In this you have to insert the datas. First column ID number it is asking. I am typing 111 and then roll number you have to type 10401 I gave. Then it is asking name. I am typing the name and then age. Okay, 15 I gave. Like this you can insert the datas. Okay, second number 112 ID number I gave. Roll number 10402 and the name I typed and then age 15. Then after typing you have to save that. After saving that you can come out. Here it is showing the table. Below the table design view it is showing the table. Okay, if you want to see the output you have to select the queries which is present in left hand side. You have to select the left hand side you have to select queries. Right hand side you have to select queries in SQL view. Here you can type the SQL command, query command you can type here. Select is a query command. So you can give, if you want to view the table, which command you will use? Select command. Okay, select star from table name, that is Bala semicolon. If you give like that, after typing the command you have to press enter and then if you want to view the output you have to press F5 key. If you want to view two columns alone, you have to give select column heading, that is name comma age from table name semicolon. Okay, after seeing this output, close it. Now how you will insert the data? For inserting data you have to click tools menu. Okay, you have tools menu, no? In menu bar you have to select tools menu. Under that you have SQL command. SQL option is there, that you have to click. Here it is showing on dialog box. In this dialog box you can type the commands in SQL. After typing the command you have to click execute, that button you have to click, then it will show the remarks below the box. Okay, inserted one record using insert into command. Insert into table name, that is Bala, values open bracket, then ID number, roll number, name, age, close bracket, semicolon. Here you have to note the table name you have to give within double quotes. If it is a text data type you have to give the data in single quotes. Both you have to follow. After typing the command you have to execute. What it is displaying? Command executed successfully. After getting this you can view your table. So, or if you want to insert one more record, that also you can include using insert into command. Okay, insert into Bala values, open bracket, id number, roll number, name of the student, and then age. After typing that, you have to close bracket, then you have to put semicolon, then you have to execute the command. What you will get? Command executed successfully, this remark you will get. Then you can check the output. You go to queries and then select the last option. Okay, in this you have to type the select command, select star from table name, that is Bala, that you have to give in double quotes, semicolon. Okay, and press enter. After that, so execute the program, you have to press the function key F5. What it is showing? It is displaying the datas. How many records have you included? 2, no, totally 4 it is showing. Like this you can create the table in design view. If you want to type query command, you have to go to query option and then you have to select SQL and then you have to type the select command. Suppose if you want to insert data, so you have to go to tools menu and you have to select SQL option and then you have to type the insert into command. Okay, suppose if you want to delete any record, where you have to type? You should not type in queries, you have to type it in SQL dialog box, SQL tool, where it is present under tools menu. Suppose if you wrongly typed, means what it will show, won't give you the correct output. So for example, I am typing delete command here, it won't accept. Next, suppose if you want to see only 2 columns, if you want to see the full table, you have to give select star from table name, semicolon. If you want to see only 2 columns, you can give the 2 columns alone. You can see the 2 columns details. How you can see that? You have to use select command followed by column heading. Which column you want to view, that column heading you have to type. For example, name and age alone, if you want to see, means select space name comma age from, you have to give the table name, that is the table name is Bala here. Within double quotes you have to type Bala and you have to give semicolon. After giving that, press enter and then press F5 key. Okay, function key F5 if you press only, it will show the output. Now it is showing name and age alone. Like this you can view the table. Okay, you can view the table, multiple columns. You can view multiple columns using select command. Okay, after seeing the output, you can come out from the OpenOffice base. Try the same, children. In home, you have to open OpenOffice base and try this exercise. Thank you, children.